Welcome CSC121, Programming 1 for the Spring 2023 semester. I'm Professor Homa. I'll be your professor online for this course using Python primarily. And this is the first time I've taught it in a couple years. I think I taught it last in spring of 21, so it's been a little while since I taught this course, so I'm looking forward to get back into it. Again, I'm not a programmer by trade. I'm a graphic designer, and then I got into web design and multimedia and things like that. So I kind of got into programming kind of after the fact, but I love programming, I love learning about it, and I do my best to try and explain things to people who do not have a incredible programming background. So that's kind of my skill, where I'm going to try and do my best to explain everything in real terms, as opposed to some computer scientists who may confuse you. I will not confuse you, or I'll do my best not to confuse you. So we're going to be working with Python right from the beginning, so you don't have to have any background. If you had CSC 103 and you did some turtle programming and some basic programming in there, or you had some web design, that's great, but you don't have to have that. Python's a great language to kind of start fresh with, and in the beginning we'll start slow. We'll go over everything, the data types, functions and variables and all that kind of stuff, so you understand everything. My goal is to make sure you understand everything. I don't know how far we'll get. Different semesters, depending on the class, we do more, we do less, but we'll make sure we understand everything well, and that you're also thinking critically, and you're also learning to problem solve, and you're enjoying problem solving. That should be part of it. You should enjoy when errors come up and you have to figure them out. I like doing that. I like kind of figuring out when things happen. If you're up against a time crunch, that's always the best thing, but that's part of it. So expect to make mistakes, expect to make typos and all that, and expect to kind of, be scratching your head trying to figure things out. But a lot of fun things we'll do in Python this semester. We're going to be using the Replit IDE. We could use the console in there. We could also use a shell just to go over that, but everything we could do in a browser, so there's no need to be downloading Python and downloading idle and all that other kind of stuff. We don't have to do that. We could go over how to do that, and I have videos about how to do that, but we could do everything in the Replit IDE. We could even do turtles in there as well. So it's a really nice organized IDE to work with. You can make folders and use it for multiple classes if you need. If you have any problems this semester, just email me at homa@warren.edu. And always indicate your course name and number, or just your number, CSC121W1, so that I could find you quicker, because I teach 6 different courses. But looking forward to getting started this semester, and look for my Warren walkthrough coming up in another video where you won't see me, you'll just hear my voice, and you'll be hearing my voice on YouTube most of the time throughout the semester. So looking forward to having a good semester and learning a lot and having some fun programming.